I want to address one thing before we get into this recipe. I'm going to be wearing a hat for the foreseeable videos because I've not been able to get a haircut for the last couple of months and my hair is now in that messy stage, so please get used to it. The recipe I've got for you today is this absolutely delicious, really quick and easy, spicy tomato creamy pasta. The pasta I'm using is tagliatelle, but you can use whatever pasta you like. If you want to add some chicken to it, prawns, you do as you please. That's your business. Let's get into it.